Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a really fascinating module designed to fundamentally transform how you look at network marketing. We're talking about synergy and digital strategy for kingdom marketing.
So, how do you build a sustainable marketing kingdom? Well, here is our blueprint for turning a standard strategy into a lasting empire. We're going to start with building your marketing kingdom, then move right into the snowball marketing effect and synergy methodology. After that, we'll explore upgrading with IRR 4.0, and finally, tie it all together with the ultimate MLM strategy.
All right, let's jump straight into Section 1, Building Your Marketing Kingdom.
The stated endgame of this entire module is literally, as the text says, building a kingdom. But to achieve that massive scale, participants are required to master a highly specific tool right from the foundation. And that tool, it's called snowball marketing.
Which brings us seamlessly to Section 2, the snowball marketing effect.
Think about what that term actually invokes, right? A small snowball just packed together at the top of a hill, representing your starting point. As it rolls, those small, continuous marketing efforts start to compound rapidly over time. They gather more mass, they move faster, until boom, they generate the massive momentum you absolutely need to build that kingdom. It's actually a pretty brilliant analogy.
And the process follows a very strict linear progression. Step 1, you apply that snowball marketing. Step 2, you let that application build massive, unstoppable momentum. And step 3, that momentum naturally forms the kingdom. You see, the kingdom isn't the starting point, actually. It's the inevitable consequence of getting that snowball rolling in the first place.
Okay, moving right along to Section 3, Sustainable Synergy Methodology.
Because, let's be real, rapid growth alone is fragile. If snowball marketing provides the momentum, well, synergy methodology acts as the structural mortar holding the whole kingdom together. It's a sustainable strategy that marketers have to learn so the pieces of their multi-level marketing structure work seamlessly. So the whole thing doesn't just collapse under its own weight once it gets big.
So basically, this methodology, it's not optional. Without learning and applying synergy, all that rapid growth we just talked about becomes completely unsustainable. Synergy is literally the exact equation required to ensure the ultimate success and the long-term survival of your network marketing.
Now for the really high-tech stuff. Section 4, Upgrading with IR 4.0.
This is exactly where the strategy leaps into the modern era. Participants absolutely must learn to apply IR 4.0. And by that, we mean the fourth industrial revolution. We're talking about integrating smart technology, data analytics, and digital automation directly into your strategy to exponentially build up the MLM structure. It's a real game changer.
Because while traditional network marketing relies so heavily on sheer manual effort, analog phone calls, physical meetups, the old school grind, an IR 4.0 strategy fundamentally shifts the paradigm. It transitions you away from a slow, manual network and turns your operation into a fully digitized, technologically empowered machine.
Let's pull it all together in Section 5, the ultimate MLM strategy.
Here is the completed three-pronged blueprint we've been unpacking today. First, apply snowball marketing to create that initial vital momentum. Second, implement synergy methodology to turn that rapid growth into a rock-solid, sustainable long-term strategy. And finally, inject IR 4.0 tech to fully optimize and automate the network. That's the whole shebang right there.
So, looking at this kingdom-building blueprint, we really have to reflect on our own modern multi-level marketing strategies. If a lasting empire today requires snowball momentum, synergistic sustainability, and cutting-edge IR 4.0 integration, well, you have to ask yourself a serious question. Are you just building a manual network, or are you truly building a digital kingdom?